How to invest money on Revolut. So to invest money on Revolut, navigate to the Invest tab at the bottom. The first thing that you would like to do here is you would like to add money into your investment account. So click on the plus icon where it says add money. Then select the account that you would like to add the money from. In this case, I'll click on US dollar. Select the amount that you would like to add to your investment account. So I'll just say $2 and I'll click on add money. As you can see, you have added $2 into your brokerage account. Now, once you've added the money into your brokerage account, now you can actually start buying stocks, commodities, or bonds. To do that, simply click on trade. And here you can see that you can buy 4,733 different stocks, you can buy commodities, and you can buy bonds. Additionally, if we go back, you can click on discover. You can also see today's top movers, either top gainers or top losers. If you want to expand it, click on see all. And you will be able to see all the top movers. You can also select the day, either today, 1 week, 1 month. So let's say that I would like to invest in Coca-Cola. I'm gonna click on trade. I'm gonna search for Coca-Cola and I'm gonna click on buy. I'm gonna put $2 and I'm gonna click on review and I'm gonna click on submit. And just like that, my order has been created. And this is how you invest on Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.